Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Respecting Regional Differences. In previous class, we discussed about Rajasthan to highlight the great diversity in Indian culture. Today, we are going to discuss some exercises of this chapter that are tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, and true or false. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct option. Students, in this exercise, you are given three options with each statement. You have to find out correct one. Let's see first number. How many islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Options are 572, 500, 628. Correct answer is 572. Students, we have already discussed that there are 572 islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar, but only 38 islands are inhabited. Now coming second number. What kind of food is popular in Andaman and Nicobar? Options are Chinese food, seafood, Italian food. And correct answer is seafood. Seafood like crabs, lobsters, fish, prawns, etc. are popular in Andaman and Nicobar. Now coming third number. Where is Hawa Mahal located? Options are Jaipur, second Allahabad, third Udaipur. Correct answer is Jaipur. Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur. Now coming fourth number. Which is the popular dance of Rajasthan? Options are Lavani, Ghumar, Bhangra. Correct answer is Ghumar is the popular dance of Rajasthan. We have already discussed that the popular dances of Rajasthan are Ghumar, Chari, Kachi Godi, etc. Now come in second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Let's see first number. An amazing variety of dishes are cooked in South India. Correct answer is rice. An amazing variety of rice dishes are cooked in South India. It is because rice is cultivated widely in South India. Hence, rice is the staple diet of people. They cook an amazing variety of rice dishes. Now, come in second number. Differences do not create dash. Correct answer is distances. Differences do not create distances. Now, come in third number. Many freedom fighters were jailed in dash jail. Correct answer is cellular. Many freedom fighters were jailed in cellular jail. It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now come in fourth number. Dash is famous as Pink City. Correct answer is Jaipur. Jaipur is famous as the Pink City. Now come in last number. Dash is the main language of Rajasthan. And correct answer is Hindi. Hindi is the main language of Rajasthan. Now we will discuss exercise C, that is state whether true or false. Let's see first number. All tribals were not hunters in earlier times. Student, it is false statement because all tribals of Andaman and Nicobar Islands were hunter. Now coming second number, the followers of animism believe in souls and ghosts. Yes, it is true statement. The followers of animism believe in souls and ghosts. Now coming third number, the Ong tribe sings to accompany the dancers. Yes, it is true statement. The Ong tribe sings to accompany the dancers. Now coming fourth number, Marwari is the main language of Andaman. No, it is false statement. Marwari is not the main language of Andaman. Hindi and English are the main language of Andaman. Now coming fifth number, we must respect regional differences. Yes, it is true statement. We must respect regional differences. Today's home assignment, learn and write all these three exercises. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.